Hey guys, it's Katie Lendel here. Today, what I wanted to share with you guys is how to download a video from Facebook or how to save a video from Facebook on your desktop. So if you wanted to download your Facebook video and put it like onto your YouTube channel, I used to do it a specific way, but I've noticed that Facebook had some changes. So I've actually noticed today that I cannot do it the same way I was doing it before. So I'm gonna go ahead and actually show you how I was able to do it before, and how a lot of YouTubers out there teach others how to do it, because it did work. This way it did work before, but now it doesn't work. So now I wanted to share you the way that it actually still works. So I don't know why Facebook has changed that option and doesn't let us save the video anymore. Our own video, Facebook doesn't let us save it for some reason. But I did figure out a way on how you can do it still. So let's do that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this video and I'm actually gonna show you how I used to do it before, and it doesn't work anymore. Just for you guys to know, what doesn't work. And a lot of YouTubers are teaching that, but it actually doesn't work anymore. So let's take this video and let's actually depending on what computer you have or what laptop you have. I have Mac, and I will actually share with you how to do it on that, but you might be able to do it the same way on the other computer. So let's click on right click, and when we right click we see different options here, and it says show video URL. So here's the video URL, and usually what I did, I would grab this URL, I would copy it, and I would open a new tab, and what I would do, I would just paste it in and change the www to, switch it to just M, which stands for mobile version. So, and then I would just, click enter, and it would actually open up in mobile version for me. So then what I would do, I would click on play.
Hi
and
guys.
I would
welcome.
let it load a little,
Let me know you guys.
pause it, and then right click again, and nothing happens right now. But what I was able to do is when I would click on right click, I would there would be a pop-up right here, and it would let me do different options, and one of them was save video as. So I would just click on that and save this video onto my computer. So, but when I right click now, nothing works. It doesn't click, there's no pop-up or anything like that. So Facebook definitely removed that option. And I did try it in other browsers as well, and it doesn't work in other browsers. Safari, Firefox, nothing works. So what I've actually discovered is this is what you can actually do. So when we close this and you go back here, and when we copy this, right? So let's copy it again, and then just paste it in here and click enter. And here's our video. So what you're gonna do is you will just right click.
Hi guys.
Or let's just pause it for now.
Welcome.
And let's right click right under the video. So you can just right click right under the video, and what you're gonna see here, you're gonna see different options. So the one you need to choose is view page source. So, and when it goes here, it might look very confusing, but don't let that stop you from achieving your goal, getting the video off of Facebook. So what you're gonna do next is actually not that confusing. What you're gonna do next is, if you have a Mac, you're gonna have to click Command F. So I believe if you don't have a Mac, if you have Windows or something, I believe you click Control F or something like that. But what you're gonna need to do is you're gonna have to have this little search bar pop up here. So in the search bar, what you're gonna type in is you're gonna type in HD and underscore, like a little line, and SRC. So it found this thing right here with HD underscore SRC. It found it in our text, and all that we need to do, I will actually make it bigger so you can actually see what I'm copying here. So let me make it bigger. There you go. So the text that we need to copy is this link right here. So after where you see HD SRC, you skip this part right here, but you start where you see HTTPS. So start from here and highlight it all the way until the link ends before this right here. So this whole link until it ends right here. You highlighted it and you just right click on it. And when you do that, what you need to do is just click on Go To and this link.
Hi guys.
There we go.
Welcome.
Here's our video, and all we need to do is just click on this download button right here. In the end right corner, we see the download button. So all we need to do is just click on that, and ta-da! It downloads the video to our computer. And it will actually download the HD, the high quality version, which is good. When I used to use the other method, it was downloading a much worse quality for me. But this way is actually much better to download the video from Facebook. So it is downloading, and that's it. That's all. For this video, I wanted to share this little tip with you of how you can actually download a Facebook video, in HD as a better quality video onto your computer. So you can do whatever you want with it. Put it on YouTube, put it anywhere else. So that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and let me know in the comments if you actually tried it and if it actually worked for you as well. Also, if you have any questions over it, let me know in the comments as well. And I look forward to provide a lot more tips and strategies. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe, and I look forward to provide a lot more value for you guys in the next videos. All right, God bless. Bye-bye.